The mystery of the safe room unveiled. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, safe room. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what a safe room is but also how and when to use this term in your daily conversations. Let's start by dissecting the phrase. 1. Safe. This word implies protection, security, and being free from danger. 2. Room. A space in a building enclosed by walls, floor, and ceiling. When you put them together, what do you think they mean? A safe room is a fortified room built inside a house or building specifically designed to provide a safe haven or protection for the occupants in the event of break-ins, severe weather, natural disasters, or any threats. They are usually equipped with strong walls, a secure door, and often have provisions like food, water, and communication devices to keep the occupants safe for an extended period. To help you understand better, let's go through some examples. 1. During a hurricane, many people take shelter in their safe rooms to protect themselves from the storm's fury. 2. Celebrities sometimes have a safe room in their homes to stay secure in case of an intruder or stalker threat. 3. After watching a thriller movie, Tom joked, "I wish I had a safe room to hide from all the imaginary monsters tonight." While safe room is the most commonly used term, there are other similar phrases that you might come across. Panic room. This term is often used interchangeably with safe room. However, it primarily implies a room designed for protection from human threats, like burglars. Storm shelter. This is a protective space specifically designed for severe weather conditions, such as tornadoes or hurricanes. And there we have it. You now know what a safe room is, its purpose, and when to use this phrase. English is full of interesting terms, and each one tells a story of its own. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Keep learning and stay curious. See you in the next video.